What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I'm going to show you how to contact seller support on Amazon, which is a great resource for beginner, intermediate, even expert level sellers, because selling on Amazon honestly is just not that easy. It's confusing. The Seller Central user interface is one of the worst I've ever seen. I actually use it in my web development course that I teach at a local university in Northern Virginia. I use it as an example of a bad UI. And then I use Google as an example of like a nice, intuitive, clean UI. Anyways, getting off track. Contacting Amazon seller support can get your questions, like basic questions, basic issues, maybe even requests for help, resolved extremely quickly. Now, they used to have a live chat. They have since gotten rid of that, but you can still work with them via email. Or if you'd like, you can do it via phone, which is the most immediate and fastest way to get your issues resolved. Basically, if you contact via phone, put your number in, you'll immediately receive an automated call. The automated call will connect you with a human and you can get whatever you need worked out. Anyways, this is how you do it. So go into Seller Central. In the top right corner, click Help. All right, and then from here, you'll see at the bottom, it says Contact Us. Click that. Now, it doesn't appear like anything happened, but you're actually going to want to start off by doing that so you get to this screen that I was already on. Anyways, you don't actually have to worry about like following the track that Amazon wants you to follow by clicking whether you're interested in selling on Amazon or advertising, etc. If you just want to talk to a human and ask a question, just do what I'm about to show you. So first, click Selling on Amazon. And then from here, it's going to ask you like how we can help. Just click two-step verification. I know your issue is not related to two-step verification, but if you click that, what happens is on the left-hand side, this selling on Amazon prompt pops up. So from here, click products and inventory. And when that expands, click issue listing products. All right, from here, you have 3 radio button options. Just click the third one. I don't have an ASIN or SKU or batch ID. Then hit next. Now it says, what can we help you with? Just click the third option again, other product and inventory issues. Then click next. Boom. Now you have the option of getting help via email. Just describe your issue. Even if it's off the mark and not related to issues listing products, they'll still help you. Like they'll reroute you to the right department if it's like something highly specialized that you need help with or have a question with. So don't worry about how we got here. I promise it doesn't matter. Also, if you want immediate help, just click the phone tab, put your phone number in, and description. Again, it's up to you if you want to do that. They're still going to ask you about it on the phone, but definitely use your phone number because what happens is that automated system gives you a call and you have to pick up and then it'll route you to a human. But anyways, guys, it couldn't be simpler, and don't hesitate to ask them questions. That's what they're here for. You're paying them $40 a month. So think of that $40 a month fee as you're paying for support to help you succeed on Amazon. And while there's plenty of resources out there on Google, on YouTube, wherever, being able to ask a seller support specialist directly and, you know, the immediacy can't really be beaten. They'll get you on the phone in like 1 minute. So go ahead, don't hesitate, ask them your questions. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you liked it, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, drop me any comments with questions or feedback, and I will see you at the next one.